Welcome to Kids Kingdom of Fun Learning.
Today we're diving into the world of idioms and phrases. Ever wondered what it means to be under the weather? Or heard someone say when pigs fly? Let's uncover these fun expressions with some energetic visuals and cheerful kids. First up, under the weather. This idiom means feeling sick or unwell. Imagine a rainy day, and you just want to snuggle under a blanket. That's how it feels. Now let's see some kids sharing how they feel when they're under the weather. Now let's hop into when pigs fly. This phrase means something that will never happen. Picture a pig with wings soaring through the sky. Hilarious, right? Let's see how kids react to this silly phrase. And that's a wrap on today's idioms and phrases. Remember, next time you feel under the weather, don't forget to laugh and say when pigs fly. Keep exploring language with fun and friends.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected and see you all soon in the next episode.